Locations of the temperature sensors. Ambient temperature sensor. Return air temperature sensor. Exhaust temperature sensor. Coil temperature sensor. Tank temperature sensor, and inlet water temperature sensor, 2-in-1. All temperature sensors except the tank temperature sensor are connected to the same black terminal. Troubleshooting, ambient and return air and exhaust and coil temperature sensors. With the unit powered off, check whether the T1, T2, T3, and T5 white connectors are loose. Check whether the black terminal is loose. If both terminals are not loose, disconnect and reconnect them. If the error persists, unplug these two terminals. Replace the entire bundle of temperature sensor wires, including the wires connecting the black and white terminals, and reconnect the corresponding terminals. Troubleshooting, tank temperature sensor. First, check whether the tank temperature sensor is fully seated. If it is not properly seated, first unplug it. Put on gloves again and apply thermal paste into the hole, filling it completely. Then, reinsert the tank temperature sensor into the port, ensuring it is fully seated. If the error persists after reconnecting, check whether the connection is loose. If the error persists, check whether the red terminal of the tank temperature sensor is loose. If the E14, E15 error persists, replace the entire tank temperature sensor wire from the terminal to the sensor. The tank temperature sensor wire runs from the red terminal along the bottom of the unit and connects to the sensor at the bottom of the tank.